Did you know that a $100 keyboard preset changed all of Jamaican music forever? When I tell you this is crazy, I mean it, people. In 1985, producer King Jammy was just messing around in his studio when he hit this preset on a cheap Casio keyboard. That sound, pure magic. He gave it to Wayne Smith, who recorded Under Me Sleng Teng, and boom, the first fully digital reggae hit was born. Oh, what a revolution this started, my word. The old school reggae folks were furious. Live bands? Gone. Studio musicians? Out of work. But the young producers, they went absolutely wild with this digital sound. That one rhythm got used hundreds of times. Supercat rode it. Shabba Ranks built his career on it. Every producer in Jamaica wanted to make their own version. Here's the crazy part. Within just 2 years, almost every single piece of Jamaican music was being made digitally. One accidental keyboard preset from a cheap Casio completely transformed dancehall and reggae forever. The digital age had arrived in Jamaica.